The company has been in production since 2008, specializing in the production of precision metal engraving machines. The company has passed the CE certification and many invention patents. All the machines produced by the company passed through the laser interferometer of Renishaw in the UK. The ball bar instrument passed the test and left the factory. High rigidity single head engraving machine. High efficiency and stable single head servo tool magazine engraving machine. There is also a high efficiency double head servo knife magazine engraving machine. The double head double warehouse machine uses a double servo tool magazine, which is stable and durable, and a more efficient 3-head 4-head tool magazine machine. He uses a servo tool magazine, which is stable and durable. This is our V850 machining center. It has great strength and good rigidity and high precision for finishing. It can make high gloss molds without polishing, which is the first choice for molds. We have also developed a mini 5-axis servo knife magazine engraving machine, suitable for jewelry, watches, dental titanium alloy, and small hardware processing. Achieve industrial-grade precision production. The company has also developed automated production lines that cooperate with robots. The company's customers' silicone bronzing mold sample. It can engrave clear Chinese characters and English letters 0.5 millimeters high. Copper electrode machining process and sample. Carved so you can't see the knife marks. Finish and precision of copper electrode processing. Customer mold steel mold engraving finish sample. This is the stability of our machine and high quality assembly and adjustment. Sample finish for 5-axis machining. The accuracy error of straightness and concentricity of THK screw assembly in Japan is 0.01 millimeters. The assembly straightness and height error precision of the silver guide rail in Taiwan is 0.006 millimeters. Our fuselage structure is all cast iron, stable, strong, and durable. The company's products have been well received and affirmed by global customers.